Steps to become Buddha. Follow the step-by-step approach. To become a Buddha, one must follow a structured path of spiritual development that leads to enlightenment. This journey involves understanding and practicing core Buddhist principles. Here's a step-by-step approach based on the teachings of Buddhism. Step-by-step approach to becoming a Buddha. 1. Study the teachings of the Buddha. Read Dharma. Start by reading foundational texts and teachings of the Buddha, including the Four Noble Truths and the Noble Eightfold Path. Understanding these concepts is crucial for your spiritual journey. Learn from commentaries. Seek out commentaries and interpretations from respected teachers to deepen your understanding of the teachings. 2. Take refuge in the Three Jewels. Buddha. Acknowledge the Buddha as an enlightened being and recognize that enlightenment is attainable. Dhamma. Commit to following the teachings of the Buddha, which guide you toward understanding and overcoming suffering. Sangha. Connect with a community of practitioners who support each other on the path to enlightenment. Engaging with a Sangha can provide encouragement and guidance too. 3. Practice the Noble Eightfold Path. Right understanding. Develop a clear understanding of reality and the nature of suffering. Right intention. Cultivate intentions rooted in love, compassion, and non-attachment. Right speech. Practice mindful communication that is truthful and beneficial. Right action. Engage in ethical conduct by avoiding harm to others. Right livelihood. Choose a profession that aligns with ethical principles. Right effort. Strive to cultivate positive states of mind while letting go of negative ones. Right mindfulness. Maintain awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Right concentration. Develop deep states of meditation to focus your mind. 4. Engage in meditation. Regular meditation practice is essential for developing concentration and insight. Meditation helps calm the mind and allows for deeper understanding of oneself and reality. 5. Cultivate mindfulness in daily life. Apply mindfulness to everyday activities, observing your thoughts and emotions without attachment. This practice helps you recognize the nature of suffering, dukkha, in daily experiences. 6. Overcome defilements. Work on recognizing and overcoming mental defilements such as greed, hatred, and ignorance. Cultivating qualities like compassion, generosity, and wisdom is essential for progress on the path. 7. Realize Bodhi, enlightenment. Strive for personal realization of enlightenment, Bodhi, through deep understanding of impermanence, anicca, suffering, dukkha, and non-self, anatta. This realization leads to liberation from samsara, the cycle of birth and rebirth. 8. Commit to continuous learning and practice. Enlightenment is not a destination but an ongoing process. Stay committed to learning, practicing, and refining your understanding throughout your life. By following these steps with dedication and sincerity, you can progress on the path toward becoming a Buddha, a fully awakened being who embodies wisdom, compassion, and understanding.